This 2021 Chevrolet Malibu is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chevrolet is powered by front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, turbocharged gas, E91 engine, and has 65,022 miles. Drive smart. Grab this 2021 Chevrolet Malibu today. Stylish, reliable, and budget-friendly. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.